Hello students, hope you all are good. Today we are going to start lesson 7, that is 3D shapes. As you can see different shapes over here in the picture. Move towards learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, I will be able to identify basic shapes. I will be able to identify the number of sides that a triangle, rectangle, square and circle have. Okay, here you can see some 3D shapes. Cuboid, cube. You can see the difference between cuboid and cube. Cube has all sides equal, whereas cuboid has two sides that are lengthy, right, rather than the other sides. You can see cylinder, you can see rectangular prism, triangular based pyramid, cone, triangular prism, sphere and triangular base pyramid. Our topic of discussion, we are going to discuss about cube, cylinder, sphere, prism and pyramid. Okay students, we are going to cover these 5 topics in this lesson, right? And you can see the picture, the objects in front of the shapes. 3D shapes. 3D shapes can be solid or hollow. 3D shapes have 3 dimensions, length, width and height. That's why they are called as 3D shapes, right? Because they have 3 dimensions, length, width and height. Again I am going to repeat, length, width and height. Now some technical terms to address 3D shapes. Surface, face, base, edge, corner, vertex or plural vertices, right? Vertex is singular and vertices is plural. They are very important and we will learn about these technical terms in further slides. Okay, what is surface? The curved part of 3D shape is called surface. For example, cylinder and cone. You can see in cylinder and in cone the part that is shown by the arrows, that is called surface. Okay. Face, part of 3D shapes that is flat, right, is called face. You can see here in this cube that is circled with red color, it is called as face. Base, the bottom face of 3D object is called base, that is shown by the arrow. Okay. Edge, the line where two faces meet, or you can say the joint that or the joining that combine two faces, it is called as edge. You can see in this cuboid that is circled with red color, right? This white line is edge. Okay. Corner, you can see over here I have shown by the arrows, these are called the corners, right? The point where 3 or more edges touch. This cube has 12 corners altogether. You can see over here, or if you have any cube, you can see if you have any dice or cube, you can check. Cube has 12 corners altogether. Vertex or vertices, the point where 3 or more edges meet. This cube has 12 vertices altogether, right? Cube, okay, now we will move towards the next. First we will discuss about the cube now. A three-dimensional shape which has 6 faces, all are of same size, right? Cube has all sides equal. Okay, 12 edges and 8 corners or vertex. Cylinder, a three-dimensional shape which has two faces. One is on the top and the other is on the bottom. One surface that is shown by the arrow. Zero edges and zero corners. You cannot see any corner in cylinder. Now, sphere, right? The sun has sphere shape or the balls have sphere shape. A three-dimensional shape which has zero faces, one surface, right? Zero edges and zero corners, right? Prism. There are different types of prisms and they are based on the shape of its bases. Rectangular prism, square prism, triangular prism and hexagonal prism. Pyramids. We have discussed about pyramids a lot in our previous lessons. Remember that? Right? There are different types of pyramid and they are based on the shape of its bases. It has one base, have triangular side faces that meet at one vertex. For example, square pyramid, triangular pyramid, rectangular pyramid, etc. What is the difference between prism and pyramid? Okay, prism, at least three faces that are rectangles, and pyramid, at least three faces that are triangles. Okay. Okay, prism, two congruent faces on top and bottom called bases, and pyramid has only one base, right? Number 3, the shape of the base determines what type of prism the figure is. The shape of the base determines what type of prism the figure is. Okay.